Hello everyone, this is Dr. MiteshGala. Welcome to Rough Book, a learning companion.
Exercise 24B. So in the last video, we understood how to calculate mean by three different methods. We understood five things. Do you remember? Yeah, mean by three different methods. Can you tell me the three different methods? Yeah, the first one was direct method, shortcut or assume mean, and step deviation. So three methods to calculate mean. After that we learned two more things. You remember? One missing frequency and two missing frequencies. 24B also is the same exercise, nothing different, and we are going to do these five things only. The only difference is the way the data has been presented. The data has been presented here in the form of grouped frequency table. In the last one we understood, in the last video, it was ungrouped frequency table. You knew, do you remember only one column was there, but here there are two columns. So now only one extra step we need to understand. Without one column you cannot proceed. That means without one number you won't be able to assume your A. Alright, so the only thing you need to do is get the class mark of this. Do you remember what is class mark? Class mark is the mid value of these two terms, that is the lower term, lower limit and the upper limit. Get the class mark of that. Matlab, how will you get the class mark? Add the two, divide by 2. Add the 2, divide by 2. That will give you your class mark. Once you get your class mark, the rest of the methods are same. I want you to try sum number 2. Pause your video and come on, start hitting it. Everybody, this is direct method. Sum number 2 says do this sum by two methods, direct and step deviation. So we will do both the methods, and both the methods the answers are going to remain the same. So first thing we need is class mark. So class mark is also called as X, and this is called as your F. So in this case it will be 52.5, 57.5, 62.5, 72.5, sorry, 67.5, 72.5, 77.5, 82.5 and 87.5. Let me check. 52, 57, 62, 67, correct. How did I get this? Common sense. 50 and 52 के बीच में क्या आएगा? 52.5. If you cannot get it directly, add the 2, divide by 2. Once you know the pattern, it repeats then. Followed? Now here this is direct method, so lot of calculations we'll have to do. So direct method fx, so multiply these two likewise and get the total of everything. Get the total of everything here, and then summation fx into summation f will give you the value of your mean. Okay, so let's calculate. 5 5s are 25 decimal, 5 2s are 10 11 12, 25 and 1 26, 262.5, 5 5s are 25. Always recheck, it might take one extra minute, no problem, but at least your marks are secured. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 12, 1 25 and 1 26. 57 ka double 115 I guess, right? 5 2s are 10, 14 15, 1 10 and 1 11, so 115 and 1 0. So 101 decimal is gone, so 115.0 is what you will get. Correct? Are you getting the same, or am I wrong? Let me check. 57.5 into 20. So if I do it, I think this is wrong. Let me recheck again. 5 2s are 10, 1, 5 7s are 2 7s are 14 15, 1 10 and 1 11, and one more 0. So there has to be one more 0 here. 1150.0. Okay. Then the next one 625 and 675. So we are at least lucky with these two calculations. 9 7s are 45, so 0.5. 9 2s are 18, 22, 65. Recheck. 9 7s are 45, 9 5s are 45, 18 plus 4 22, 63 plus 2 65. 6 5s are 30, so 3, 42 plus 3 45, so 4, 44 plus 42 plus 4 46. 12 5s are 60, so 6, 12 2s are 24 plus 6 20, 30, sorry, 24 plus 6 33, 12 96 99, so 990. 8 7s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 8 7s are 56 plus 4 60, so 6 64 plus 6 70. Okay, let us recheck all the calculations so we don't go wrong. 5 5s are 25, 2 5 2s are 10 12, 1 25 and 1 26, 5 2s are 10 1 14 15, 1 10 and 1 11. This is fine. 9 5s are 45, 18 plus 4 22, 63 plus 2 65, 30, 45, 46, correct. 12 5s are 60, so 6, 12 2s are 24 plus 6, 30, 99, correct. 8 5s are 40, 56 plus 4, 66, 64 plus 6, 70. Let's add. How many of you have not paused the video and copying? Honestly tell me. Well, cheaters, no? Very bad, guys. You need to practice. Right now, who's checking you? No one is monitoring. Come on, your own self-control. Where has it gone? Let's add this. 5 plus 9, 14, 20, 30. So I get 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 80. This side, what do I get? So decimal, 5 plus 5, 10. So 1 carried over. 2, 3, 13, 14, 15, 20. So again 2 carries over. 6, 7, 8, 9. No, not 9. 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 5. Not this but this. 13, 14, 15, 20, 27, 33. 33 plus 9. 42. So 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 6. 13, 19, 25, 25, 29, 38. 38 plus 7. 45. 4 and 1 5. So I get 5 5 2 0. I hope we are correct. We will recheck this total in case if we get a wrong answer. So mean is summation f 5520 divided by 80. So zeros get cancelled. 8 6 are 48. So I get 72. 72 so 9. So my answer should be 69 units. And that is a correct answer. Did anyone manage to get the same answer without copying? Good job. Alright, so please recheck always. So if there are any errors, you will get rid of them. Now, did you see how much efforts did we put over here to solve the sum? Lot of efforts, isn't it? How to make the same sum easy? The same sum can be made easy by using shortcut method. Let's try the shortcut method. So first thing obviously we need here also is class mark. Okay, so class mark 52.5, 57.5, 62.5, 67.5, 72, 77, 82 and 87. Once you got this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So these two are left. So I am picking up this one as my A. Do you remember assume mean? So you are assuming the mean. So your D is x minus A. That means this minus this. How much would that be? Negative 15, negative 10, negative 5, 0, 5, 10, 15 and 20. Is that okay? Now you are going to calculate FD. This is your F, the frequency. Yeah, you are not going to divide this. That is the other method called as step deviation. You are deviating a step. Here you are just assuming the mean and that's it, nothing else. Okay, so 15 5s are negative 75, negative 200, negative 50, 0, 45, 60, 12 into 15, 180, 160. So all the negatives first. So that becomes negative 325. Am I right? 75 plus 50. Correct. And here what will I get? 100, 200, 340, 445. So what is the difference that you get? 225. Is that what you get? 125. Sorry. Correct. So 5 plus. No. I am still wrong. 120. 120 is what you will get. The total of frequencies we already know it is 80. So you don't need to again calculate it. So now what is your mean? A plus, because you subtracted A. So now you are going to add it. A plus summation FD upon summation F. So A is 67.5 plus 120 by 80. Cancels. 4 3s are 4 2s are. So 67.5 plus 1.5, 69 units. Now tell me, which one was easy? Was this easy or was the direct method easy? Obviously this one is easy to calculate, slightly difficult to understand, but once you get a knack on it, this is much easier and more accurate. There greater chances of going wrong. So please try and understand and stick to these methods. Okay, let's hit sum number 3. Sum number 3, they are saying solve calculate mean by two methods, shortcut and step deviation. So now we will see whether shortcut is easy or step deviation is even more easier. Actually step deviation will be easier, but only one extra step, that's it, nothing great. So first class mark, get your class mark. Once you get the class mark A, so D is equal to x minus A and then FD. Come on, get the 3 columns and then your formula, you know it. Pause the video, hit it. Let's see how many of you are racing with me and how many of you are finished before me. Alright, and more accurate, that is most important. So 45, Come on, pause your video. I have already started. You are going to lag behind otherwise. So I got all the values 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I take 65 as my A. So this becomes minus 30, minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. So FD minus 300, minus 240, 140, 0, 90, 140 and 180. Always remember, all the numbers above 0 are going to be negative and below 0 will always be positive. Why am I explaining? I am wasting my time. Let's go ahead. You will finish before me. 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6, 80. And here 9, 17, 21. So 2, 3, 4, 410. Am I right? 100, 200, 320, 410. Correct. What are the difference? 270 negative. Here what are the total? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 9, 17, 24, 33. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 70. So my mean A plus summation FD upon summation F. So A in this case is 65. See, I made a mistake here. This should not be there. Only this much. So your formula becomes wrong. Summation FD upon summation F. That's how it is. So A is 65. FD is negative 270 upon 70 cancels. So 65 minus. Let's divide. 7 3s are 21 decimal. So 21, that means 660. So 8s are 56. 440. So 5s are 35, 550, so 7. Go to 3 decimal places and then convert to 2. Always go to 3 at least. Okay. So now I get 65 minus 3.86. This got added over here. So my final answer should be 61.14. Had you not gone to 3 decimal places, you would have gone over here 61.15, which is wrong. So you got to go to 3 decimal places. Even this 1 decimal place can entitle you to lose 1 mark straight away. Are you getting it? So please go to 3 decimal places, convert to 2 decimal places and then get your answer as 61.14 marks, not units this time, marks, because marks have been given here. We are doing the same sum now by the other method, step deviation. The answer is already known to you. It will be the same answer only. Let's try and see. Sum number 3 once again. How many finished before me? Wow. Copied? Good job, guys. Let's go one more time. So I'm just giving you the start class mark first. Then A is equal to whatever and D is equal to X minus A. After that, you remember T column. So for T, you will first say I is equal to, and then T is equal to D upon I, and finally F into T. So 4 columns, and then your final formula for mean A plus summation FT summation F into I. You divide I, so you multiply. You subtract A, so you add. Simple. Remember it that way. It will become very simple to remember forever. So class mark 35, 45. Oh, you are racing with me. Chalo, begin. 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So I am taking 65 as my A. So minus 30, 20, 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. Dividing, so I keep as 10. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So minus 3, 30, sorry. Minus 24, minus 14, 0, 9, 14 and 18. So total over here is 10, 20, 32, 41 and the total here is 30, 40, 50, 60, 68. So the difference is negative 27, correct? 40, 50, 67. And here we know that the total was how much? 70, I guess, correct? Let me check cheating, sorry, 70. So this is 70. So now A is how much? A is 65 plus minus 27 upon 70 into I, which is 10. So 0 goes away. 65 minus, cheating again. Don't see over here. 3.857 because 27 upon 7, no? Same thing it is. So minus 3.857. And when you subtract 65 minus 3.86, 61.14 marks. How many of you have finished before me? Don't ignore that cheating part. I am entitled to do it because I just did the question, isn't it? Good job, guys. If you are getting it, you are doing a very good job. We'll do 2 more sums. One on step deviation and one on shortcut. So that shortcut and step deviation are very clear in our head, and then we'll do the missing frequencies. Okay. So first, standard deviation. SD is standard deviation. Standard deviation is the lengthy one. Okay. Starting with me, hitting Let's begin. Class mark. So 63 and 70. 63, 7, 3.5. So 66.5. 73.5. Am I right? 73.5, another 3.5, 7. Correct. 70, 80.5. 87.5. 94. 101. 108. How did I get it so quickly? Any clue? See, I understood that the difference in these two was 7. I divided 7 by 2. So what did I get? 3.5. Add 3.5 to the first number always. So I added 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. So I got all my class marks quickly without adding and dividing by 2. You have to use your common sense. Alright. So we got the class mark. Now we are assuming A. So I am assuming 87.5. So A equals to 87.5 and D is equal to X minus A. We are doing standard deviation. So one more step after this. Now what is the difference here, Bapre? So 21 I guess, that to negative. Here it will be minus 14 I guess. Let me add and see. 73, 83, 87. Correct. Here it should be 7. All multiples of 7 it will be. 0, 7, 14 and 21. So now I will take divided by 7. So I is 7 and T is equal to D upon I. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Finally FT. So minus 27. Now here while taking FT, remember these two columns. Don't multiply these two or these two. You will mess up. Lot of children take these two or these two. You got to take these two. So minus 27, minus 26. Again minus 27, 0, 32, 32 and 45. So let's add 40, 60, 70, 100, 109. 20, 40, 60, 74, 80. So negative 80. So the difference should be negative 29. What is the total here? 10, 19, 10, 20, 29, 30, 40, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 150. So my mean, the formula A plus summation Ft upon summation F into I. Yeah, because we are doing the standard deviation method. So my A is what? A is 87.5 plus what is summation Ft? Minus 27 upon 150 and I is 7. Perfect. So now I don't think so anything is getting cancelled. So 87.5 minus 9 7s are 63, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 7 20. So 203 by 150. Let us check. 9 7s are 63. So 6. 14 plus 6 20. We'll have to divide this. We've got no other choice. I'm just taking a rough sheet in order to check what could be the division. Yeah, so 203 by 150. So 150 divided by 203. 1 times 150. So I get 53 decimal. So 150. So I can take 3 times 450. Go to 3 decimal places. So 5 plus 3, 8. 800. Bapre. So it is going to be 5 times 750 and I will get 50. So 500. So 3 times 1.353 convert 1.35. So it is going to be 87.5 minus 1.35. Yeah, are we getting the same? How many of you are getting the same answer? 1 minute. This is going to be positive 29. See, I could have messed up. I just saw luckily. Because this is positive, so positive, so positive. So 70, 87, 88.85. Anybody getting the same answer? Units, because nothing is given. Yeah, good question. You will see such questions in the exam for sure. So please practice this type of sums specially. That's why I'm taking extra effort and doing it with you all. Let's take the next one, sum number 10. This is shortcut method. This is slightly easier. You can manage it. Do you need to make this continuous? Because it is not required. Directly get class mark, because class mark in both the cases, whether continuous or non-continuous, is going to remain the same. Come on, let's hit it everybody. So class mark first. So 11 and 20 is 31, 15.5. Here 40, 51, so 25.5. So now we got the clue, 35.5. Likewise write all of them. Alright, now once you got this, let's go ahead. Your class mark is sorted. The next column is assume mean. So what is the mean that you're assuming? 45.5. So A is 45.5. So D is equal to X minus A. So the difference is going to be minus 30, 20, 10, 0, 10, 20 and 30. I'm randomly checking one of them. 71 and 80 is 161. Sorry, 151. So half correct, 75.5. Now, this is shortcut method, not step deviation. So don't take I, directly take FD. So minus 60, minus 120, 100, 0, 90, 140, 120. So the difference 120, 260, 350, and here it's going to be 1, 2, minus 280. So the difference is 20 plus 50, 70 positive. Let's take the total here, 6, 10, 19 and 11. So 33, 4, 5, so 50. So therefore my mean now, how many did not pause the video and copying? Sachi? Cheaters. Stop men, stop. 45.5 plus FD is 70 upon summation F is 50. So it gets cancelled. 45.5 plus 5 ones are 5, 220, so 4. So I should get it as 46.9 marks. Some number 10. How many got the same answer? 46.9. Proud of you guys. Yeah, I know I'm dripping right now, sweating a lot because the fan is and the AC both I have shut off. Otherwise the voice is not very clear. So pasine ki mehnat. Let's go with the next one. Sum number 8. One missing frequency. Come on. Mean is already given to you 54. Hit it. So here we go. Use your direct method, but for that first get class mark always. Whenever you see grouped, get the class mark first. Okay. So 10, 30, 50, 70 and 90. So this becomes X. This becomes F. So Fx 70, 30p, 500, 630 and 13 nines are, I don't know, 9 1 13, 27 to 9 10 11 117. Yeah, 117 is 13 nines, I forgot, sorry. Let's add it now. So 10, 20, 30, 39 plus p. Am I correct? See, 10, 20, this is 30, 39 plus p. Over here what happens? So 11, 70, 1200, 1800. Correct? 70 plus 10, 30 is 1200, 1800. 18 plus 5, 2300. So 2370 plus 30p. Alright. Now my mean is summation fx upon summation f. So mean is given to me as 54. Fx is 2370 plus 30p upon 39 plus p. Let's cross multiply. So I'll have to multiply 54 by 39. So 54 by 39. 9 4s are 36. 48. 12. 15 and 1 16. So 6. 10. 10 and 1 11 2. So I get 2106 plus 54p equals to 2370 plus 30p. So 30p coming here becomes 24p. This going on the other side, so we'll have to subtract 106 from this. So that will be 264, I guess. Let's add 10, 6 and 1 7, 2 and 1 3. Perfect. So finally my p becomes 264 by 24. So 24 ones are 24, again ones are. So p becomes 11. Did anyone manage to get the value of p as 11? Last question, sum number 9. Two missing frequencies. You remember two missing frequencies, what happens? Yes, you are right. Simultaneous equations. So let's hit it, guys. So first class mark. So again 10, 30, 50, 70, 90 and 110. And then this is x, this is f. So fx. So 50, 30 f1, 500, 70 f2, 630 and 880. Let us add. So I will get 1400, 1510, 1510, 2010, 2060. So 2060 plus 70 f2, 30 f1. Actually I should have written f1 first. I'm sorry. 15, 20, 30. So 30 plus f1 plus f2. Okay. Are you fine with me till here? Now summation f is already given to you and summation f you have also got. So you will say summation f is 50 equals to 30 plus f1 plus f2, and therefore we can say f1 plus f2 is 20 to get the first equation. Is that fair enough? Now for the second equation, so mean ka formula we will apply. So mean is equal to summation, that is 2060 plus 70 f2 plus 30 f1 upon total of mean. Don't take this, you will mess up. Take 50 and this mean is 62.8. So you will multiply 50 with 62.8. I'm skipping one step because I don't have place. So 0 goes, decimal goes. 5 8s are 44, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14, 31. So 3140 equals to 2060 plus 70 f2 plus 30 f1. So finally I will get 30 f1, 70 f2 equals to, this goes on the other side and the difference. So the difference will be what? 0, 0, 6 and 4. So that will be 8, 1, so 0 and 1, 1080. Let me check. 0, 8 plus 6, 14. So 1 and 3. Perfect. Dividing by 10. So 3 f1, 7 f2, 108 becomes my second equation. Multiply the first equation by 3. So I will get 3 f1, 3 f2 equals to 60. Cancel. And what do I get? So here I'll get 4 f2 equals to 48. So my f2 becomes 12. Ha! I could fit in the place. Oh, f1 is still left. So here, I'm so sorry, we are using the pages because we are running short and right now stationery shops are closed, as you already know. So f1 plus f2 equals to 20 and f2 we got 12. So f1 plus 12, 20. So your f1 becomes 8. So finally, therefore f1 is 8 and f2 is 12. So we managed to get both the answers. Did you manage to get this? Brilliant. Homework, I want you to do 1, 5, 6 and 7. That's it, only 4 sums because maximum we've covered. If you've done this honestly, trust me, mean is a piece of cake for you now. One. Second, 100% one question in the exam based on mean, either missing frequencies or one of the types. So you will be easily able to tackle it. No problem at all. Bye guys. Take care. Stay safe and pray.
Hope you had a lovely mathematics experience with the rough book, our learning companion.